Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to trade with CCI, and it's very easy strategy. Okay, so first you need a 50 EMA, and then CCI period is 14, and this is the line that we need, 100 and negative 100. And then you need ATR indicator. So you need, I use this, no nonsense ATR. If you're using TradingView, you can use other ATR indicators. So you set your stop loss to ATR, 2 times ATR as your stop loss. And your TP is 4 times ATR. Okay, that's it. So for sell, okay, you want the CCI to pierce through the 100, okay, and then you wait for it to go back down to below 100, and then the price has to be below 50 EMA, so you sell, so you click. Okay, so this is your stop loss. Okay, you see here, so you input here, so it's very easy. Okay, target 2 to 1. All right. Okay, so here we cannot enter because the price is below 50 EMA. Okay, so basically you want for buy, you want the when the CCI does this, you know, it goes from a negative 100 to above that. You want them, you want the price to be above 50 EMA for the first time. Okay, so we cannot take this trade. And okay, here is the trade. Okay, it goes below negative 100, and then when it go back up there and the price is above 50, so you just click. So this is your stop loss we see here. All right. Okay, we got stopped out. Okay, here we have a signal. Okay, it goes above 100, and okay, we wait for it to go down. Okay, here. Okay, so for the first time, yeah, the price is below 50. Okay, so you enter. All right. Okay, stopped out again. Okay, another signal here. Okay, price below 50, so you enter. All right. So we're making money right now. Okay. Sell here. Okay, price below 50. Okay, we got it. We got that. All right. Sell here. Okay. So we got this again. Okay. Can enter here. Okay, we got it. Okay, okay, let's see. All right. Can buy here. Okay. Buy here. Okay, stop that. All right. So for the first time, it it got below. It's got above 50. So we enter here. Okay, it's the same. Okay. All right. So another signal. Just click and double that. Okay, stop that. So you're not going to win every time. Okay. You only going to win half of the time, but it's a 2-to-1. So okay, we got it. Okay, here, we sell here. Stop that. I probably will not enter during this, dead hours in real life, in real trading. So I won't enter here. I don't even trade Asian session. Okay. So avoid trading during this, ranging dead market hours. Okay, we have signal here. But in the back test, okay, I'm gonna take every trade. Okay. 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 So yeah, we can sell here. Okay. Sell again. Okay. Stopped out again. Okay. We buy here. Okay, we're not going to take over here. Okay, we can sell here. Okay, so that's it. And I'm going to test this 100 times. Okay, you can see the result if this is profitable. But before that, we want to see how many trades we got here. Okay, 20 trades. And it's 50-50. Okay, right now in 20 trades, it's 10 win, 10 loss. 50-50, but our risk reward is 2-to-1. So we make almost 20%. So I'm going to test this 100 times, okay? And we'll see if it's profitable. Okay, so this is the result of 100 backtests. It's Euro USD 30-minute chart from 2 January until 8 June. And we have 46 win and 54 losses. So that's pretty good. Okay, 46. And match consecutive wins 6, match consecutive loss 4, and we make, and this is $10,000 account in the simulation, and I risk 2% per trade, so we almost double our account here in 100 trade. Okay, so that's pretty good. And yeah, it's almost double our account. And this is the graph, okay, the equity curve. Okay, it's fairly good than other strategies I've tested so far. Okay, it's very smooth like this. And then I also test this strategy one-to-one. Okay, using one-to-one risk reward. I use 4 ATR as my stop loss and 4 ATR as my TP. So we have 61 win, 39 losses. Okay, so here's the result. And we only made 5,000 in 100 trades, so it's 50% gain on account, and in 100 trade. Okay, so I don't usually trade one-to-one. Okay, so this is the graph for one-to-one. Okay, so yeah, that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment down below. And if you want the software that I'm using to backtest this strategy, I have a link down below. Okay, so yeah, have a good day.